like stiff wear. Look at this, just with water. My hair don't even do this with water, babe. If you wanna sponsor me, you know, my email will be down there. So I know I've been gone for like a day or 3 months or so, but I'm busy, you know. Today we have a package because I got it yesterday, so I can give you guys a first look and review. This is from NYUWA. Yeah, that's it. NYUWA hair. This is how the box look. Got the little blue, so I'm messing with it already. Little sleek box. How do you open this? So in the box we have a little card with a little message on it, and a weave cap, and along with an elastic band. Now we have the weave, which is in this little bag. It's a big bag actually. A big bag. Alright. Hold on, let me open this real quick. Okay, I don't smell nothing yet. Okay, she looks cute. Okay. First out the box, fresh out. So we have some cute curls. Get into it. She's long, 24 inches. She might even be longer than that, but okay. Not bleached, but it comes with a pre-made middle part right here, and this is what the inside looks like. So we have a lot of parting space. In the middle it looks like about what, 6 inches. We have a little bit on the side for like your baby hairs and ear cutout, and then we have it in the back also. Then we have 4 combs, 1 on the back, 2 on the side, and 1 right here. There's a lot of hair now. Where this about to go? I'm about to be styling and profiling. Hello, let me get my wig cap. We gotta see how she look. Okay. Oh, yes. Woo! Cause hold on now. Get into it. You gotta get into it real quick. You feel me? Listen, this is fresh out the pack. No bleach, no pluck, and she here. She here for it. You feel me? I'm here for it too. So yeah, we got a lot of space here. And let me turn around so y'all can see the back. You can look at it long as you don't grab it. Hold up. Oh, so we got like butt length. Is that it? Oh, yeah. I'm so annoying. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, is she pre-plucked? Oh, she pre-plucked too. You know what? Let me holler back at y'all. I gotta do the cap. I gotta color the cap. I gotta bleach the knots. I'll be back. Don't mind my nails. So I just customized it. I plucked it and did the baby hairs, cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm really just sitting here trying to figure out how far up I want this lace to go, cause where it's at right now is like about how big my forehead is, but I'm like, I kind of want to wig fish them and bring it up some more, make my forehead look a little bit smaller. Like, I'm a wig fish. I don't even care. You can bring it up just a little bit. Oh yeah. This is me on the night. This is me about that life. Hydration. Okay. Yeah, back to our scheduled program. We trying though. Well, Yeah. Okay, she's a bop. She's a bop. Yeah. I mess with her. Yeah. Alcohol. Make sure everything clean, wiping off all the extra makeup and stuff. Alright, so next I'm gonna take my bold hole. I'm gonna just dot it around the cap. All I got is a comb. We're not gonna talk about my ashiness. Y'all see it, I see it. But am I gonna put on lotion? No. Why? Because it's too damn far. Plug her up. Good, we're good, we're good. I think we're good. Time for landing. Time to do the edges. Yes. Ooh, child, I've been waiting for this. This makes or breaks the look. Okay, so we're back. Now, I'm gonna have to cut the rest of these down because I like the way it looks in the front with the short baby hairs. So we're gonna have to chop them off. Yep. And these gonna go over here. Take my horse to Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Take my horse. Yeah, so, and with the Afro G, right? Gotta shake her up a little bit because yeah, there we go. Okay, I ain't mean to put that much now. But yeah, you do want to be generous with the foam, and you do want to work pretty quick because it's gonna sit.
Let's go back.
Ooh, okay, I like that one. And I do kind of like the look of a lot of baby hairs, so I can't even talk during baby hairs. It's just so much concentration. I don't want that gel down. I'm gonna leave it. I think that's how I'm gonna leave my edges. They look cute. And I need to go back with a color that's more towards my skin tone and just blotch it over the lace to make it blend a little bit more. But we're gonna save that to the end. Just gonna tie these edges down real quick. Okay. Okay, she's tied. Now the hair. She's a little frizzy because I brushed her out, so I'm just gonna wear her with my little fancy water bottle that I got. Oh, this sweater choking me. I really faithfully wore this the whole video. I'll change, do a little reveal. Hold on, time for the reveal. If you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but it's saying one hit me. And not done yet. We have to brush the baby's hair. Ugh. We're not done yet. We have to brush the baby hairs out so they don't look as rough. Now I just need my glasses so I can see. I think I'm about to do a part real quick. Alright. I'm gonna just wet this part down. And this is what we have. Baby, get into these curls. Just with water though. Just with water. Only water in here. Get into the curls. Yes. Okay, cause I'm messing with this. NYUWA. Yeah, I think I got it right that time. I'm messing with this a lot. If you're not into it, what you doing? Do you see him? I know you see him because I'm showing you. You see him what I'm seeing. Look at this. Just with water. Water. My hair don't even do this with water, babe. Come on, you gotta. The lace popping, edges popping, hair popping, it bleached superb. Come on now. I don't even know how to act now. Like, y'all really need to get into it. Look at it. Look. I forgot to tell y'all the specs of the wig. So this is a 24-inch, 13 by 6, 150 density wig. Are you getting into this? But like, listen, NYWUA, if you wanna sponsor me, you know, my email will be down there. Any wig company wants to sponsor me, my info will be down there. Cause y'all gotta get into this. Wig wear. Find it. Y'all definitely need to come. Don't sleep on it now. Oh, this hair just got me feeling myself. That'll be all, you guys. And if you want me to do an update on the hair, make sure you leave a comment down below. You could like or dislike the video, you know, do whatever you want to do. It's your world. Make sure you subscribe though, and leave a comment about anything, future videos, how your day was going. Leave me comment about something, cause y'all be playing with me. Y'all be playing with me, baby. Comment. I be seeing all the comments, and I be replying to most of them that want to reply, I guess. But leave me a comment. Reply. I will reply. Interact. I promise. I will most likely reply. Bye.